In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload large video to Google Photos. We will walk through this on a computer first, then on Android, and finish with the best quality setting. Start with a quick check. Google Photos can handle videos up to 10 gigabytes, as long as the format is supported by Google. If your file is within that size limit and is a common format like MP4, it should upload without an error or conversion message. Now open Google Photos in your browser. Type photos.google.com in the address bar, then press enter. When the page loads, you should see the Google Photos logo at the top left and a grid or empty area where your photos and videos appear. If your library looks different from usual, make sure you are not in an incognito window. Once Photos is open, sign into your Google account. Click the Sign In button in the top right, then enter your email and password. After signing in, your profile picture should appear in the top right corner, and your existing photos or an empty library will show in the main area. From there, click Create or Add Photos at the top. This sits near the middle or right side, above your photo grid. When you click it, a small menu appears, usually dropping down just below the button. Next up, select Import Photos from that menu. Even though it says Photos, this is also where you choose videos from your computer. After you click Import Photos, your System File Picker window opens, letting you browse folders on your computer. In the File window, find your large video. You might need to change to the folder where you saved it, like Downloads or Videos. A helpful trick is to sort by size inside that window, so big files like your large video are easier to spot. Once you see it, select the file and click Open. Right after you do this, the file picker closes and Google Photos shows an upload progress indicator, often at the bottom left. For very large files, the progress bar will move slowly and may sit at certain percentages for a while. With the upload started, keep the Google Photos tab open while the video uploads. If you close the tab, the upload can stop or fail. You can switch to other tabs or apps, but leave this one open in the browser. Now wait until the backup and upload is complete. You will see the progress bar reach 100% and the video appears in your Google Photos library with a small video duration label. On huge files, processing after upload may take extra time, so playback might not be available immediately. If the video is on your Android phone, open the Google Photos app. You will see the main timeline of pictures and videos, usually sorted by date, with a search bar at the top. Next, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. A menu slides up showing your account, storage, and several options. Here you can quickly see if backup is delayed or paused. Go to Photos Settings, then Backup. Inside this backup section, you see a main backup switch and some options about when backup runs. An insight here is that when backup is off, nothing from your phone uploads, even if you are on Wi-Fi. Make sure backup is turned on. The main switch should be blue and say On. As soon as you enable it, Google Photos starts checking your phone for new photos and videos that are not yet backed up. After that, find the video in your Photos library. Scroll through or use the search tab and choose videos to narrow things down. When you open the video, look for a small cloud icon at the top, which tells you if it is stored online. If it has not backed up, leave your phone connected to a reliable Wi-Fi connection and power while it uploads. Large videos use a lot of data and battery, so staying on Wi-Fi and charging prevents interruptions and keeps the upload from restarting. For the best quality, open Google Photos, then go to Settings, then Backup Quality, and choose Original Quality. With Original Quality, the video uploads at its full resolution and bitrate, so no compression is applied by Google Photos. You just learned how to upload a large video to Google Photos from both computer and Android, and how to keep the original quality. If this helped you get that big video safely into Google Photos, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more clear Google how-tos.